Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set the default music player in Windows 10. By setting your preferred music player as the default, you can enjoy seamless playback and easy access to all your favorite tunes. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Go to Settings. You can either click on the Settings icon in the Start menu or press the Windows key +I on your keyboard to directly open the Settings app. Step 3. In the Settings app, click on Apps. This will open up the Apps settings. Step 4. Click on the Default Apps tab. This will take you to the Default Apps settings. Step 5. Under the Music Players section, you will see the current default music player. To change it, simply click on the desired app from the list. And that's it. You have successfully set the default music player in Windows 10. Now, whenever you open music files or play a song, it will automatically launch with your preferred music player. Setting the default music player allows you to streamline your music listening experience and ensures that your favorite app is always ready to play your favorite tracks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.